Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the whole process to check and claim the warranty of any Seagate hard drive, internal or external, doesn't matter, based on my personal experience with it. So without any further ado, roll the intro.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.
Alright, so the first obvious step in claiming the warranty of your hard drive is to check whether if it is in the warranty period or not. So all you have to do is go to this website, the link to it is available in the description, you can access it from there. Here in this box, just enter the serial number of your hard drive and the nation that you live in. I live in India, so I'm going to enter India. You can enter whatever nation you live in. And the serial number. Now the serial number is available on the front of your hard drive if you're using an internal hard drive, and on the back if you're using an external. I'll show you the images of both of them. So for now, I have this external hard drive. I'm going to enter the serial number and then click on the check warranty button and show you the results. Once you click on check warranty, it will process and then tell you the status of the warranty, something like this. Warranty expired on 11th September 2018. It's about this external hard drive. Now I had an internal hard drive which I claimed through warranty, the exact same process. And if it is in the warranty period, it will show a green tick mark or something and tell you till what date it is available to be claimed in warranty. So that is how you can check the warranty of any hard drive. Step 2 is finally how to claim the warranty. Now to claim the warranty on your hard drive, what most of the people do is they just scroll down and go to this little button that says start claim. Now I went to this button and what happened was I registered myself, and what they did was they gave me an address and they told me to ship my hard drive to that address, lodge a complaint with them of the warranty claim, and then they will check it and they'll send a replacement to my address in a few days. Now that was a good process. I'm not saying that it's a bad process, but the problem was that I found it a little bit of a hassle to do all of those things, contacting someone to ship my hard drive, then paying them a certain amount, right? So I thought that it's a bit of a hassle. So what I did was I went to this little button which says chat with us, and I contacted the support team and I told them that I can't do this, I need some other option. So what they did was they asked me if I would have access to any service center near me. So what I did was I went to this little button that says Seagate Service Centers, check availability. Just clicked on it, and once the page loads, all you have to do is first of all select the country. I live in India, obviously India, and then I live in Mumbai. So Control F, Mumbai, hit enter, and there's 3 service centers in Mumbai. One in Sakinaka, Vihar Road, next in Vashi, Navi Mumbai, and Mumbai Tadeo, 3 of them. And with that, they also sent me a link. I'll show you that link. It's this one, inspiriSYS warranty management system or something. Yeah, warranty management system. What they did was to register myself here and get a customer ID. Now there's a link in the description for the whole process of this inspiriSYS. It's very simple. All you have to do is create your profile, enter your address, and they'll give you a customer ID. That's all you have to do to register to go to a support center, a service center, and give them your hard drive for warranty claim. Just follow that process, go to that link, and once you have a customer ID, then find a service center and make sure you check the operating hours. Now once you go to the service center, make sure before you go you take your hard drive, obviously, so you can submit it there, and take the bill of purchase. When you purchase the hard drive, make sure you'd have that bill. If not, I don't know if the service center will allow that, because mine didn't ask me for one, because they had it registered, my product, so they didn't ask me. But just to be on the safer side, take the bill. Now let's say that there is no service center available near you. What will you do then? My suggestion is just go to this contact us button, and once you go to this particular website, they'll tell you the normal business hours is Monday to Friday, 9 AM to 6 PM. Contact them within that period and they will for sure come up with some solution so that you can claim your hard drive if there is no service center. That's my best suggestion. Now I'll tell you my personal experience with this whole process. For me, as I'm privileged enough to be living in Mumbai, like I said, I went to a service center and followed the exact process which I told you guys. Went there, gave them the hard drive. They asked me if I had registered to the inspiriSYS website, asked me for a customer ID, sent me an OTP, I gave it to them. They gave me an acknowledgement, a hard copy of 2 pages, and told me that the hard drive will be available at my doorstep on the given address on the inspiriSYS website while registering, and the hard drive will be here in 2 weeks. And they didn't charge me anything for it. So I was like, cool, no charge, will be available in 2 weeks. And then I waited. But the best part was that the hard drive arrived at my doorstep in 4 days. I gave the hard drive to them at 5 PM in the evening on a Wednesday, and the hard drive arrived at my doorstep at 11 AM on a Sunday. This is what the original hard drive looked like, and this is what the refurbished replacement looked like. So Seagate and inspiriSYS, by any chance if you guys are watching this video, 10 on 10 rating for your services, totally loved it. One last thing that I would like to remind all of you guys is that if you have any problem at all in this whole process, remember that they have a contact us section where you can contact them, chat with them, and they have a great support team which guides you through the whole process beautifully and very precisely. They explain you the whole process. So make sure you contact them if you have any problem at all. And this is not a sponsored video. I genuinely love their process. So that's it for the video, guys. That was the process of how I replaced my internal Seagate hard drive. Now if you guys find this video useful, make sure you like this video. It really helps the algorithm suggest this video to the needful people. Share this video with your friends, and finally consider subscribing to the channel. I post such how to take videos and tech reviews and unbox stuff on the channel. Sometimes I stream games every week, and I upload informational reels and shorts on Instagram and YouTube. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.